Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's session, we're diving into Langflow to create a flow that allows us to extract YouTube transcripts, summarize them, and even ask open-ended questions based on the content. Our main focus will be on the YouTube transcript tool available in Langflow. Let's start by dragging in a text input component. Here we'll paste the YouTube link for which we want to extract the transcripts. Next, we'll connect the OpenAI tool agent with the YouTube transcript tool. We also need to link the input and the language model tool. So we've added the OpenAI tool and used our OpenAI API key to access the GPT-Furrow mini model. You're welcome to use any other model, but for the sake of efficiency and cost, we've gone with GPT-Furrow mini. Next, we added a prompt that tells the AI model the transcript will serve as the context, and it will refer to this context when answering user queries. To improve the transcription, you can provide a more detailed system prompt for the OpenAI tool agent. In this case, I've kept the prompts simple for both steps. As an example, I've included an input query to summarize the content and bullet points. The prompt then goes to the OpenAI component, where we're using GPT-4o mini once again. The output is passed to the chat output component, which allows us to easily view the results in the playground and interact with them. This setup makes it easy to explore and chat with the generated output. Next, let's test it with an example. We'll paste the link into the text input component, and for the chat input, I've kept the query the same, asking to summarize the content. Now, let's run the flow. As you can see, it says building, which means it's processing. You can also view the internal workings of the tool in the playground. The OpenAI tool agent acts as a wrapper, calling GPT-4o mini on top of the tool to ensure everything runs smoothly. So it takes just a little time. And here you can see the transcription, the flow is working. And there you go. We've got the summary and bullet points, and the output looks great. Let's try another link. This time, let's try one of the videos from the DataStax channel. To be honest, I've tested this with multiple links, but I ran into some issues. Let's copy the link, paste it into the text input component, and run the flow. As you can see, there's an error. It says the transcript is not in the language code N or English. This means the tool has certain limitations, and in this case, the automated subtitle wasn't detected. Let's try another link where the subtitle is available. You can definitely tweak the tool, as there's an option to create a custom component. You could also create a vector database to store the transcript if it's too large, and use the Retrieval-Augmented Generation technique to get more accurate responses for open-ended questions. For this tutorial, I've only used summarization. Now, you can see the response for the third test. Looks good. If you want to deploy this in Streamlit or Gradio, you can simply use the Python API code to do so. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.